Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to plant this, ice cream rose. This is very cute. Earlier I do have the same, plant. Unfortunately, it got died, and today I got this new one, and now I'm going to plant it in this little pot. This is a 12-inch plot actually, and this is the soil which I got along with this metal. This metal I used to place at the bottom of this so that the water flows out very easily, and that gives more energy or good health to my root of this plant. I used to plant like this every time. Stay tuned and watch this full video. Collected all the metals from this soil, and as you can see, I fully covered the bottom of this pot with those metals. Now it's time to break this soil and mix with vermicompost along with the rose mix powder, which I used to feed my plants. Stay tuned. So I am breaking this soil. It's very soft. See how soft it is. So some soil is very hard to deal with, so I'm just breaking it just to have some smoothness to my plant. The breaking of soil is now complete, and I'm putting this vermicompost. This gives some sort of energy to my plant, so I always used to do this. It also has mix of rose mix. It's good. I think that's enough for this plant. Then mix it thoroughly. Not that deeper thing is required. You just mix it like that, and you can see that vermicompost and rose mix disappears now. That's good. Okay, cool. Okay, now it's time to pour some soil inside this pot, as you can see, like that, just like that. Cool. So I poured around 40% soil in this pot. Now we need to place this plant here. Let me tear this one here. Just like that. Just like that. And it's very nice actually. Good. See, I can't break it, it's very hard, but we need to do something like that, otherwise it won't survive. Because of this hardness, the roots of this plant will die. So what I will do, I will just try to break in here like this, put like that, and try to break that like that. It's not working. It's very hard like stone, but still let me plant there. Let's see how it is going to look like in the future. Maybe, I don't know, I may have to replant it, but hopefully that is not going to happen. Good, it's centered in the pot, and now we need to put this soil here to just occupy this place, and that's it. Stay tuned, guys. Okay guys, so plantation of this ice cream rose is now complete, and we need to add little water here. That's it, and I will post you the future videos on this plant maybe after a month. Stay tuned.